In this video, I'm going to show how to set up a new job using the MultiSpot module. When you enter the module, you're greeted with this screen where you see a list of your customer folders at the left and the jobs that are associated to that customer in the job list at the right. The first step to setting up a new job is to choosing the appropriate customer folder. For this demonstration, I'm going to make my demo job in my colorware customer folder, so I will select that over at the left, and then I'll see all the other jobs that are already there. To make a new job, I simply go further to the right looking for my Create Job button, which is identified being twice as wide as the other buttons, giving you a hint that this is probably the button you're looking for. To start creating a new job, simply click on it, and depending how your system is configured, you may see this automatic job setup dialog. If this has been enabled in your system, you're able to type in a job identifying number to have the rest of the job setup completed for you automatically. In the case that you're not using this, you can always press manual setup to set up the job manually. In this process of creating a new job, we start at this screen where we identify which press we're running on, which customer we're printing for, and our job's name, number, and description. So you simply type in these fields as is appropriate to the job you're about to work on. I just change some of my information here. And once you have that the way you like it, simply press next. This is where I select my preset. So for this example, I'm going to use the preset I just created in an earlier video called Dan's Demo Preset. As I select that, I see the conditions as to which I'm going to measure, the tolerance limits I'm going to be contained to, and the colors that I'm going to be measuring. If all this looks correct, I'll press Next. Now again, depending how you're logged into MeasureColor, you may or may not see this screen. Supervisors and administrators can access this screen to change job settings if necessary. Normal operator users will bypass this screen and go directly into measurement. Assuming there are no changes that need to be made here, I'm going to simply press Finish, which completes the job setup process. As we enter measurement, the first thing we have to do is measure our substrate. In the case of using clear film over a white backer, we'll measure the clear film directly on top of whatever backing material that we're using, and that will classify as our substrate. If we're using white film or paper, again, we'll measure that on top of our standard backing material. Any area where there's no ink coverage is acceptable. Once that substrate measurement is complete, the software will automatically take you to scatter view, which is where you see all of your job colors and you can begin measurement. Colors can be measured in any order, any frequency, in any way you wish, so that you can concentrate on the colors that are most important to you and begin seeing results. In another video, we go into detail as to how you measure in this module and analyze the data. Feel free to follow up this video with that one. Thanks.